Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a very short freight train coming, heading back to Quality and as well as the freight yard. Let's check it out. And then after that, she wants to go get a drink over at Sheets, and then we'll see if we're having, and then after this, we'll see if there's any grain hopper work. After this, if not, this is probably the only freights we're going to get for the OC&T is those three. That'll be one grain hopper, and then the rest of this will be tankers at the end. Yeah, they only picked up one grain hopper and one grain hopper only at the WLs. We haven't done a train at them in a while. Trying to make Chris nervous, and it didn't. It was a close one there, actually. We'll see where this very short freight train's going. Are they gonna be stopping by the OC&T track, or are they gonna or they're gonna be getting the picked up the empty hoppers for that OC&T route or that OC&T train. There we go. I gotta reset the seatbelt here in a minute because it's getting stuck. Actually, I'll reset it after this video. Sorry, we'll take it off for just a moment so we can finish this train going by. I'm gonna reset the seatbelt here in a couple minutes. Just give me. Come on, train, where are you? There they go. Well, let's wait for the engine leaves, and then we'll get off and get over to Sheets for a little, get your drink, and then we'll get back on with the next train. That'll be hopefully it's a freight there. There they go. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train after she gets a drink over at Sheets. Talk to you later.